Ramesh had to multiply 15.75 and 6. Instead, he multiplied 1.575 and 6. What is the difference between the two answers? Means numbers are same, only point is the difference. Both the numbers are same, 1575 and 6. Only the difference is in points. So first you multiply 1575 into 6 and then you get the answer is 9510. Now we'll put the points. For first number it is 2 from the right and for second number it is 3 from the right. So your numbers are same, 95.10 and second is 9.510, 3 after that. Why have I put this extra 0 over here? Because after point, if you add 1000 zeros also after this, it is of no value. And why have I put this? Because after this point we had three digits, so we had to match this. So while matching, what we do, we add extra 0. So now subtract. Actually I had mistaken in the calculation. The calculation should be like this, 9450. Then just put the points 94.500 and then 9.450 after 3, after 2. So we can add as many zeros after this. Now we'll subtract this. We want the difference. So 0, 10 minus 5, 5. Then this 4, this becomes 4, 0. Point, this 14 minus 9 is 5. Then again this becomes 8, 85.05.